till now, like as much as I have heard you guys saying about the topic, like the topic is should the cricket be considered as a national game or not, right? So I have got the conclusion that none of you are agreeing with the point that cricket should be a national game. Instead, we are giving our suggestions on like different games. So I prefer going for like cricket should not be a national game as much as I have heard you guys, because I'm least interested in sports, but this was something that I was just taking out some of the points so that I can speak on. So I just got this much that like cricket should not be a national game. That's it. Thank you.
So in your opinion, what can be national game?
This is not the question.
Then not just asking that that if you prefer that it should be national game, what sport would you prefer to be a national game of the country?
As Ashika said, our national game should be Kabaddi. I agree with that point. So I'll go for. Thank you, and I'm leaving. Bye.
Actually, PUBG is also very popular these days.
Dhruv, can you please come with your point of view? Like cricket, should cricket be the national game of India? Are you in favor or against? Please elaborate your point of view.
You haven't cleared it.
Yeah, I am clearing my opinion that cricket that many of you are considering that why should be a national game, that there is an answer for me. There is a question for all of you also, that cricket is not a national, should not be a national game. And I think that if cricket is considering a national game, I'm not disagreeing with that point, because if cricketing is considering as a national game, we can give equal importance to every sport also. If we are giving importance to badminton, tennis, boxing, weightlifting, javelin, and every sport, then cricket can be a national game. Why could it not be? If Devansh is saying that why should be a national game, hockey is not a national game. Yeah, okay. Hockey, if you are not considering hockey, it's okay. Cricket, if you are considering cricket as a national game, it's.
I'm not considering any game as a national game. I made myself
clear. He is not the one who is considering. It's Government of Youth Affairs and Sports who made it clear that hockey is not the national game of India.
Don't have a national game.
Yeah, we don't have a national game. Okay. That's what I am saying, that cricket, if we are considering cricket as a national game, if in future, that it's okay. I'm not disagree with that point, because till now cricket is achieving a lot of fan base, and nowadays the IPL is going on, as you all know that. So but my opinion is that if we are considering a sport a national game, we can also give some equal importance. We are giving that importance, quality of importance which we are given to cricket, we can give to other sport also. This is my opinion, that we have to give.
The government is giving importance to other sport, but people don't want to go in other sports because there's less money or no money.
I'm saying that government is giving the money, financial incentives, and all the things. But I'm saying that we are not considered. We are not. We used to see only cricket, IPL, and all these materialistic things. But we should consider. We should give equal importance to every sport. And cricket. I think cricket. But I think that, in my opinion, there is a national game. In my opinion, I don't think there is not a national game. Sorry guys, I'm disagree with some of all the points, but I think that there is a national game for India.
And which one should be?
That was I was going to ask.
I am preferring the national game. If you're asking that, from my opinion, I like badminton.
Actually,
can be a national game.
Why?
Because see, in my opinion, I'm saying, because I like badminton, and cricket can be cricket, hockey, and badminton. In which are three sports.
It's not about your like. It's about
cricket should be a national game
that represent our country.
See, I'm saying cricket, badminton, and hockey. In what three of the sport, one sport can be a national game.
Dhruv is
According
not
to
a
you,
strong
what
point.
is the definition of national sport? Like national sports is
Yeah,
a sport
what
that is instinct, or that is I think that is considered to be an intrinsic part of our nation.
That
It
identifies our
yeah,
country.
it shows your religion somewhere, and has some kind of history and all.
So see,
national
in
game
that
has
point,
history
my
and
conclusion is
it is
that
popular.
we see my conclusion. Now, if current in the form in the legal terms that hockey is we consider hockey as a national game. So so I think we have to encourage the youngsters. My conclusion, I'm saying the conclusion that we can encourage our the young generation to play hockey and to represent the country in it, and to give the equal importance to hockey as of cricket we are giving currently. This is my conclusion.
Government is giving both the importance to cricket and hockey, but
I'm not saying government.
the,
I'm saying we the citizens of the country. Government is giving. I know government
because we
is
don't have
providing
grounds to play
incentive.
hockey, we need
See,
long ground to play hockey, but we can
we
play
are.
cricket anywhere on the terrace as
See,
well. I have
listen.
played every
I'm
cricket
I'm
everywhere
saying
in the
that
terrace
government
and
is
long
giving,
ground.
government is the government is giving incentives to them. But I'm saying we are the citizens of the country, we common citizen, we can give importance. We are not giving that kind of importance to the hockey in every sport. I'm saying this. I'm not saying the government is giving. My point is government is giving. I'm agree with that point, but I'm not agree with that point that we are giving that importance, because when we used to consider a sport, in our mind the sport cricket is also always came, cricket or badminton or the 2 3 sport.
PUBG.
Yeah,
Nowadays,
and
PUBG is
even
very
till now
popular.
we don't know. Even till now we don't know when India won gold
Actually, it
medal.
has more money than hockey. Do you know that
See, I'm
PUBG has
saying
more money
that
than
even
hockey, PUBG and
till
Fortnite.
now we have not even don't know the javelin, but the gold medal we have won in the javelin. We don't know even javelin.
So it
Yeah,
doesn't
PUBG is
mean
an online
we
sport. See, PUBG is
will
an
javelin
online
throw is
sport.
It as a e-sport, it is also coming under the category of sports.
Yeah,
PUBG and Fortnite, they have more money than hockey. Of crores of prizes for winning.
sorry, but it's like also a business also.
Every sport is a
it's also a
business.
business. Who says you that cricket is a
Because
game? Cricket is a business, pure business.
every sport is a
In
business. They
IPL,
earn
cricket is
money
considered
using
as a most of
broadcast.
the time
They
business,
earn
because
using TV rights. They earn
Cricket is a
on
whole
online rights.
business. Cricket is
Every
a
how
whole
can
sport
you
is a
business.
conclude
business.
cricket is a whole business? I'm not agree with that point. Cricket in in my opinion, IPL when we used to say IPL is a whole business.
Every
Every
sport
game
is
is
a
a whole
business.
business.
Only
Can you
some
believe
players are.
the last World Cup that was in England? I think was
Yeah.
between I think
How
England or
can
New
some
you
Zealand
country.
and
say?
England.
That
New
opposite
Zealand and
country
England.
was much
I'm
stronger
disagree
than
with that point.
England.
How
Still,
can you say that every sport is a business? How can you say?
every sport. I'm not saying about the all
Because
sports. I'm saying
they
about the
aren't
cricket,
using every
particular
sports.
cricket.
They aren't using broadcast right. They aren't using TV rights. They aren't using online rights.
It's
They have
not about
sponsors.
it's a business, okay, but they are earning what they deserve. They're earning. If you are saying that BCCI, the commentators and the everybody is doing business, they are earning their money. They are earning on the basis of their duty. Yeah, IPL is a
What about
business.
the match
IPL
fixing?
can be a business in illegal terms. IPL can be business in illegal terms because owners give the money
Betting is
to
there.
players.
Betting,
And what about the match fixing that usually
match
country do?
fixing, betting. It
Match
is
fixing
very
not every
famous.
time. You have
Not
seen
every
have you
time.
seen
Not every match
match
is
fixing
fixed.
every time? Have you seen match fixing every time?
Actually, we
Sometimes match
don't
fixing.
know the ground reality. We don't know the ground reality. It must be that every match is fixed. It can be a
So that's exactly what I'm saying. That if we don't know ground reality, how can we conclude that if we don't know the facts and the figures of the inside reality? If we how can we conclude that the reason? If we don't know the
we
facts,
can't. I
that's what
can't
point.
say. Listen, I can't say about cricket, but other than cricket, like hockey, kabaddi, they are not fixed at all.
Yeah,
Because
they are not
usually Usually
Yeah,
players
They
I'm
can
play
also
for
agree,
their
defend.
cricket
country.
is including somehow business. Nowadays, cricket has become
Cricketers
a
also
business.
play for their country. They also represent the
See,
country.
cricket has become a business. But my question is, how can you conclude that cricket? If we don't know the ground reality, how can we conclude about?
Yeah, we can't conclude it
Yeah, we don't know the
that
facts
every
and
match
the
is fixed.
figures
We
of the
don't know the
reality.
ground reality. We don't
But we
met
know,
the
but
players.
some of the matches in cricket, in IPL and World Cup were
Don't
fixed.
we have not met the players, the captains of the country. Like they will tell us that it is fixed match that,
Everyone is
and
bribed. Even MS Dhoni was bribed during the IPL. And as
MS
we know,
Dhoni
he is
can
the
say,
most honest man in the whole cricket team.
I have not
See
met
that
anyone.
at that time, I'm also saying that even that how can we conclude? We don't know
Yeah.
if हो सकता है that it also happened that IPL is not doing this in some matches. IPL we
What was our topic
we are
and what we are
considering that
discussing now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Back to the topic.
distract from the point.
Okay. So I think Dhruv has made his point clear that cricket should not be the like. Yep. So anyone wants to say anything? So I think we should end our meeting here.
I want to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
something.
No.
If in any case we'll have a national game, then it should be the hockey. It should be the hockey. If by chance we'll have
Why?
national,
What is the reason for that?
because
Yeah.
we won 8 back-to-back gold medal in Olympics around 28 to 30, 66. It's a long time.
We have also
And we
many
can,
World Cups in
70.
cricket.
that
Until
time cricket
1900.
and those games weren't famous like that much.
Now hockey is not famous that much.
But
Every era has different
we are
sport.
known for the hockey. We are known for the hockey in the world that India won back to back 8 medals in hockey.
India is
Nobody
also
has
now
ever
known
did
for
it.
cricket because it is number one in test, number one in one days.
We
See,
can't forget
Divansh, you are saying
Australia.
that cricket has more popularity, so it has the money. Why you are saying that cricket has more money, so it's has popularity? On what basis you are saying that which the sport which has more money has more popularity?
I'm
How
not
can
saying
you say
this.
that? So
I'm
you are saying that in the last session we have and with that
No, it is
that you are
not
saying
related
I
to
have
the
said
money
that
and popularity. It is about the that
no,
nowadays people are crazy for cricket
people
and all, and
as
cricketers are
Divan was
rich
saying
nowadays.
that Divan was saying that the sport cricket has the more money, so it has popularity. So you are
I am
assuming that
saying
please continue.
I was saying that cricket is more popular and it has more money. That's why it is more money. They get more endorsement, more ads.
Yeah, because of fan base of the cricket,
Yeah.
the popularity of the cricket.
Cricket is very popular because it is a cheap sport. We need only one ball and one bat, and we can play anywhere.
How
No,
can you say one bat and one
they
ball?
need
It
kit.
involves
They
a
need proper
lot of
kit.
expenses, a crores of expenses.
For beginners, I'm saying like for child,
No,
we can
see, it's
just
not
buy
about the
one bat
topic.
and one ball, and
See, the topic is
8 to
not
9
about the
players
beginners.
can.
Listen, please. The topic is not about the beginners. The topic is going on that at the level of Olympics, the world
That only I'm saying that
trophies at the
if we will
national
give
level, international
bat and
level,
ball to a
everything.
small children, then he will become a cricketer, not a hockey player. We give
We are
bat
not
and ball
about
to
the
a
motivation
small child.
and these all the things. We are not about the motivation things and the encouraging to children. We are about that how which sport has more money and how can we conclude that this has more money, this has not more
That's
money.
why cricket has more money, because we are inculcating in child that cricket is a good game. We are giving bat or ball and go and
Recently, you have
play
said,
anywhere.
that cricket is the cheapest sport. You have said that it requires only a bat and the ball. Why?
I have played everywhere. I have played on terrace. I have played in grounds. We can play anywhere cricket.
In
But we
night
can't
games,
we
when
need a
IPL
ground
is
to play.
conduct, many expenses involved, the lightings and all the things. It should be includes.
हाँ lighting में
See,
पहुंच
it
रहे
is
हैं
not
यार.
about the cheapest and then costliest. It is all
Actually,
about
what we will inculcate in a child, it will be the future of the nation. Like we are giving bat and ball
That's
to a child,
exactly I'm saying. We are not on the
Dhruv,
topic
we will
of
not give
why
hockey
are you
stick
so
because
stressing in
one hockey
Why
stick
are you-
costs thousands, and one bat is 10 rupees. One
See,
plastic
it's
bat,
not
plastic
about
ball,
the
and then
street play. I'm saying it's not about the gully cricket. We are talking about the topic of that the national level. It's not about the gully cricket that we require only a bat and the ball. We require all
actually
the things.
sport starts in
Every sport
gully
involves a
and then
lot
it
of
ends
crores of
in
expenses.
Olympic.
The sponsorships. What do you mean by sponsorships? The sponsorship involves a lot of expenses. Sponsorships and the expenses and the bats, ball and the players, everything.
हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, तुम समझ क्या रहे हो और कौन से टॉपिक पे ले जा रहे हो?
See, I am concluding. I am only.
You are concluding another thing, saying another thing. I am saying another thing. It is just
I'm proving my point.
doing it
Just
here
I'm
and there.
trying to proving my point. That how can you? I'm questioning you. That how can you say that cricket is the cheapest sport? These all things. We are, that's all about that. I'm trying to forcing on a one point, even on a one point that you should not talk about the gully cricket and the small street plays. I'm saying that
Actually,
we are talking
every game
about the
begins
national
on
level,
street. What we
international
are given
levels.
in when we are child, which that becomes
See,
a
I'm
career.
not talking about the childhood.
Like the tennis players are playing tennis from when they are 4, and we are giving
You're not
bat and
understanding
ball
my
to the
point,
small children.
buddy. I am saying at the international level, and they're
Please,
saying
please,
every
please,
point at the
please, please.
international level.
Listen.
Actually-
Please end this topic. It is out of our topic. Please.
Okay,
Just stop the recording.
So,
it will not
Dhruv
end.
said,
Out of our scope.
are you in the favor of that cricket should be our national game or not?
No. I'm
See, I have
in favor
the
that
two-
no national game is there.
I have two
Let-
faces on this. I have two faces. I'm concluding that if we are accepting cricket if we are accepting cricket
No
as
national game.
we should also give the importance to all the game. And if we are not accepting cricket, so we should give the importance to hockey and encourage our youth to give trophies to the country.
We can also encourage to play tennis.
Listen, Dhruv.
Okay,
Listen,
we
Dhruv.
should-
Local
and we
public
should
is
end this
already
debate.
very interested in cricket. We don't need any more interest in cricket right now. So making
we can consider
cricket as a national game just because of interest is not a point. It
Actually,
will
national game is
definitely
made on
hurt
the
the
basis of
sentiments of
popularity.
other sport.
National game is made on the basis of popularity.
So how can
Yeah.
you say that the other game is not popular? There are different people and they have different likes and dislikes. So it is not necessary if a person is liking
I'm
cricket.
saying that there should
yeah.
be no national game.
Yeah.
I'm saying there should
So
be no
it
national
it
Our
like
country
why are
is
people
doing well
debating?
in every game.
We need a national game. I am this point. Sorry.
Yeah, all right. Don't be sorry if you feel that.
Yeah.
Don't be sorry. And we are just doing discussion and all.
Yeah,
We are not. Yeah.
I
We
am
are free
disagree
to
with this
speak.
point.
We
Just
have the
that
right to
we need
speak.
a national. Because we need a national game. I think that. So we should end this topic now, or we are
We're
continuing.
recording now.
Yeah.
Please. Yeah.